I was trying to install a software, and all of a sudden I got this notification message. The message I got is that the software I am trying to install requires Microsoft .NET Desktop Runtime. The minimum requirement is even specified in the message. So, in this video, I want to show you how to download and install Microsoft .NET Framework on Windows 10 and 11. To do that, open your browser and open a new tab. Search for Microsoft .NET Framework. Click on this link to download Microsoft .NET Framework version 8.0. You can equally download specific version of your choice. Here is .NET 8.0. I'm downloading for Windows. I will come here and click to download the installer. The download has started, and it will take few minutes to complete the download. After the download is done, open the file location and install. To install it, double-click the installer. It will bring this page, then click on Install. The installation may take few minutes. The installation is successful, and here you can see all the products that were installed. Click on Close. Make sure you restart your system to effect the changes. After restarting your system, you can enjoy. Thank you for watching.